Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. Learn how to make loukoumades. This donut dessert is considered to be one of the oldest recorded desserts in Greece, traced back to the first Olympic Games, served to the winners as honey tokens. These are the ingredients for the loukoumades dough. Remember the recipes in the description. Making the donut dough is really simple. Mix all of the dry ingredients followed by the wet ingredients and mix to form a thick batter. Once the flour is mixed in, cover with cling film and leave in a warm place for about an hour to double in size. These are the ingredients for the honey syrup. Remember the recipes in the description. Add the water, honey, sugar, and cinnamon stick to a medium saucepan and bring to the boil. The honey syrup is ready when the mix is translucent and slightly thickened. And now back to the dough. Once it has doubled in size, scrape down the sides and transfer the mix into a piping bag. Cut out the batter while applying pressure on the piping bag as shown, with a pair of scissors that has been dipped in water and the excess water shaken off, and fry until golden brown. Depending on how sweet you would like them, drizzle on or soak the warm loukoumades in syrup, then garnish with walnuts. And there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to check out some of these other videos. See you next week.